How to restore Snapchat streaks. So go ahead and open your Snapchat and then click on your avatar sign at the top left corner. So go ahead and click on settings. So if you scroll down to support, you'll see I've lost my snap streak. So go ahead and click on that. So go ahead and click on how do I restore my snap streak. So if we come here, it'll tell you that if you have recently lost your snap streak, then you can restore it with one free snap streak restore, or you have to do an in-app purchase from the chat feed or your conversation. So what you'll need to do is you go back and then click on I need help. And go ahead and click on I lost my snap streak. So here it tells you that a restore button will appear next to the friend's name if the streak has ended recently. And if you're seeing that, you can just click on restore. And if not, go ahead and click on no, this article was not helpful. And then click on this article didn't answer my question, I'll solve my problem. And then go ahead and click on submit. And then go ahead and click on contact us. So go ahead and click on I lost my snap streak. And then click on how do I restore my snap streak. So go ahead and click on yes. And when you click on yes, then this username, email address, phone number, and all this information that you have to fill out will be shown to you, and just fill all of this information out. And then once it's done, go ahead and click on this submit button, and then you'll be able to restore Snapchat streaks.